Let's talk about Xiaomi Mi A3, more than white, 4GB RAM, 64GB storage. By Xiaomi. Qualcomm Snapdragon 665, 2.0 GHz processor, 4030 mAh battery capacity, 15.46 cm, 6.088-inch, HD plus display, 4GB plus 64GB flash memory, stock Android Pie 9.0, 48MP Sony IMX586 plus 8MP, wide angle, plus 2MP triple rear camera, 32MP front camera with portrait mode, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, e-compass, gyroscope, accelerometer, IR blaster. The low Head SAR, 0.527 watts/kg, and Body SAR, 0.722 watts/kg, means that a minimal amount of RF energy is absorbed by the body when using a mobile phone, making it extremely safe. 1. How much storage do I get with Mi A3? Mi A3 comes in two storage variants, 64GB and 128GB of inbuilt storage with support for microSD cards up to 256GB. 2. Where is the fingerprint scanner placed? The fingerprint scanner is placed under the screen. 3. Does it have face unlock? Yes, it has AI face unlock, which allows you to use face unlock. It has an in-display fingerprint scanner too. 4. What is the SAR value of Mi A3? The Head SAR is 0.527 watts/kg while the Body SAR is 0.722 watts/kg. Both these values are considerably lower as compared to the permissible limit of 1.6 watts/kg. 5. Is the phone a waterproof phone? Mi A3 is not waterproof, but it comes with P2i coating which protects the phone against accidental spills. For more detail and information like technical details, additional information, warranty and support, and review about Xiaomi Mi A3, more than white, 4GB RAM, 64GB storage. By Xiaomi. Click on the link given in description.